Hello everyone, welcome to my video. Today I'm excited to share with you my personal custom desktop build. I spent a lot of time researching and selecting the best components for this setup, and I'm really happy with how it turned out. And today in this video, I'm going to tell you about the product review. Let's start with the motherboard. I went with the Asus ROG B550XE Gaming Wi-Fi, which is a top-of-the-line motherboard designed for gaming and overclocking. It features a PCIe of 4.0 support, high-speed networking, and premium audio and video features. The build quality is excellent and the design looks really magnificent. For the processor, I've chosen the Ryzen 7 5800X from the 5000 series. This is a powerful CPU with 8 cores and 16 threads, a base clock speed of 3.8 GHz, and a boost clock speed up to 4.7 GHz. It has a built-on 7nm process and support a PCIe of 4.0, which makes it deliver exceptional performance in both gaming and productivity tasks. Next up is the memory. I went with the brand of XPG with the model of D60G with a megahertz of 3600 and 32GB of RAM. And it supports a DDR4 memory, which is also far more than enough in terms of multitasking and demanding applications and also gaming support. Now let's talk about the storage. I went with a combinations of SSD and also HDD. For the SSD, I've chosen the Micron Crucial 500GB for the operating systems and also most used applications, while the XPG Adata M.2 NVMe, which consists of 128GB for additional high-speed data. For more storage and less frequently used files, I went with the 1TB of the HDD. For the graphics cards, I went with the Aorus Master brand with a 3070 Ti with 8GB of VRAM. This is a powerful and high-performance graphic card that is perfect for playing the latest games and also good for editing videos and also images, which is in terms of productivity. On to the casing, I went with the Lianli brand with a model of PC011 Dynamic. This is a special and stylish case with a tempered glass side panel and also have plenty of room for cable management. It's a perfect casing for showcasing your build, as you can see in this video and pictures. So these are my videos regarding my product reviews on my personal custom desktops. Overall, I'm really happy and satisfied with how my personal custom desktop turned out. The components work seamlessly together and provide an exceptional gaming performance and also a productivity experience. But however, before I end this video, I would like to thank you all for watching my reviews of my personal custom desktop build. Now, I would like to give you a quick demonstrations on how this PC performs in game. Shout out!